Yes, good morning children. Good morning. Welcome back to our science class. Yes, what we discussed yesterday? Yes, we discussed yesterday about the human digestive system and respiratory system, right? Yes, and we have so many organ systems in our body, and today we are going to learn about the circulatory system and excretory system. Yes, today we are going to learn about the circulatory and excretory systems. Okay, and note down the keywords children: artery, veins, sweat, kidney, and heart. These are the keywords for today. Okay, children. Now tell me one thing. Uh, First, we are going to discuss about the human circulatory system. Okay, human circulatory system. Yes, already we know that we have so many nerves and veins are there in our body. Our human body is made up of so many nerves, veins, like that. Yes, yes. And human circulatory system is very important because it circulates blood to the all over the body, because it circulates blood to all over the body. Okay, if you observe the human circulatory system, we have main parts are there. This is artery, and these are the small artery, these are veins, and this is a main important thing. This is heart. Okay, we have the three main parts are there. These organs are involved in our body: heart, veins, and artery. If you can observe, this heart is work as a pump. Okay, in circulatory system, heart is work as a pump and it pushes the blood into the tubes. Okay, the heart is work as a pump and it pushes the blood into the tube. Those tubes are called arteries. Okay, those tubes are called arteries. Okay, these arteries can circulate the blood into all body. These arteries can circulate the blood into all part of our bodies. Again, the veins are there, these veins are collect the blood and these veins are send the blood back into the heart again. These veins are send the blood into the send blood back into the heart again. Okay, these are the organs that are involved in our human circulatory system. See children, once again, heart, veins, and artery. These are the three main organs that are involved in our human circulatory system. Now, see, yes, children, now here you can see the excretory system. Yes, excretion. Excretion means the throwing a waste of out from our body. Okay, excretion means throwing waste out from our body. Already we know that the skin throws the waste water in the form of a sweat. Yes, so many times we get sweat, that is a waste water. So we can say that skins throw the waste water in the form of sweat. Yes, and the lungs, what the lungs will do, lungs will send the carbon, lungs takes the carbon dioxide to the nose. Okay, lungs takes the carbon dioxide to the nose and through that send it out. Okay, and yes, kidneys. Now kidneys, in the excretory system, kidneys are most important. What the kidneys will do, kidneys will purify the blood. Okay, kidneys filter the blood and removes the impurities from the blood as urine. Okay, that's why we can say that urine can be produced in the kidneys only. Urine can be produced in the kidneys only. And what the kidneys will do, kidneys will send the urine through the ureter. Here you can see that ureter, this is a long pipe structure is there, this is the ureter. In the kidneys only, already we know that urine can be produced in the kidneys only. And the ureter is connected to the bladder. Okay, this is the bladder and this is the ureter. What the ureter will do? Ureter carries urine from the kidneys to bladder. It can carry the urine from is to bladder. This is ball like structure is there, no? This is bladder. In this bladder only, the bladder can store the urine. Bladder can store the urine. And this is urethra. This is urethra. Urethra can carry urine from the bladder to outside. Urethra can send the urine from bladder to outside. Okay, this is the excretory system. Once again you can see these are the organs that are involved in our excretory system. Kidneys, ureter, bladder and urethra. These are the main organs that are involved in our excretory system. Okay children, now tell me, what is the role of the blood in the body? We have a blood in the body, no? What is the role of the blood in the body? Yes, blood transport oxygen and food in the body. Yes, blood can transport food and oxygen in the body. And the arteries takes the blood. The arteries takes the blood from the heart to parts, all of the body. Okay. That's why we can say that blood is the important. Blood has an important role in the body. Okay.
As children, now you can open your content book. See here, circulatory and excretory system. Circulatory system. This system help us to carry things from one part to the other parts of the body. The parts of this system are heart, artery, veins and blood. The heart works like a pump and pushes the blood into the tubes called arteries. Arteries carry blood to different parts of the body. The veins carry the blood back to the heart. Here you can see the image of the human circulatory system, children. Yes, here you can see heart is works like a pump and it pushes the blood to the tubes. Okay, here tube-like structures are there. Those tube-like structures are called red color tube-like structures. Those structures are called arteries. Okay, and here you can see blue color structures are there. Those are veins. These veins carry the blood back to the heart again. Okay, this is the importance of human circulatory system. Yes, blood transport food and oxygen in the body. The arteries take the blood from the heart to parts of the body and the veins bring it back to the heart again. The digested food and oxygen get mixed with the blood and are carried to different parts of the body. That's why we can say that the blood has an important role in the body. Blood can play an important role in the human body. Okay. Here you can see the excretory system. Excretory system. This system helps us to throw out waste from the body. Many waste are thrown out from the body along with the sweat through the skin. Yes. Carbon dioxide mixes with the air that is breathed out. It is then thrown out through the nostrils. The liquid waste from the blood is filtered by the kidneys. It is thrown out of the body as urine through the urinary system. Okay children, here you can see the image of the human urinary system. We have two kidneys. Yes, we have two kidneys. In the kidneys only urine is produced. Yes, urine is produced in the kidneys only, because the kidneys filter the blood and removes the impurities from the blood as urine. That's why we can say that urine is produced in the kidneys only and is also thrown out the body. And here one pipe-like structure is there, that is ureter, and it can carry the urine from kidney to the bladder. And here some balloon-like structure is there, that is urinary bladder. In the urinary bladder only it can store the urine. And one tube-like structure is there below that is urethra. Urethra can carry the urine from bladder to the outside of the body. See children, these are the important organs that are involved in our urinary system: kidneys, ureter, urinary bladder and urethra. These are the main important organs that are involved in our human urinary system. Okay children, now you can open your volume. S-3, circulatory and excretory systems. See the first question. Name the three things that we excrete from our body. Which organs and organ system help us to excrete these? Okay, you have to write the three things that we excrete from our body, and which organs and organ systems are involved in that, and you have to mention that also. And see the second question. Label the parts of the human circulatory system in the given diagram. Okay, you have to label the parts. Okay, now see the third question. What role does blood play inside our body? Okay, that means you have to write the role of the blood inside our body. Okay, yes, these are the volume, and you have to read the content book and complete the volume. Okay, thank you children.